Welcome back, students. This is part 3 of today's lecture. So we were comparing 19 with 2, means A2 has to be compared with A3 now. So we found that A2 is bigger than A3. So we need to do swapping here, and after swapping we will get status like this of the list. 2 will come up and 19 will go down. Now we will compare A3 with A4. Okay, now 19 is to be compared with 17. So we found that 19 is still bigger, it has to come down. So swapping again will be done, and j also will be incremented. Initially, before that the j was 3, and after this swapping j will become 4. Okay, now we will compare this 19 a4. 19 is to be compared with aj plus 1, that is a5, that is 4. So 19 is to be compared with 4. If it is true, it is true actually, and so we will do swapping, and after swapping 4 will go up and 19 will come down. So by the end of this pass we have observed that now two elements are placed at the right position. If we compare from the previous pass, we will find that there are less number of comparisons from the previous pass. Okay, always for swapping we need to use this particular statement. Okay, then only swapping will be done. Okay, fine. Let us move to pass 3 now. Now I has become 2 and j is still will be varying from 0 to 6. 6 minus 2. Why 2? Because I has now become 2 minus 1, so it will vary from 0 to 3. Okay, now again we'll start from 0. So aj is to be compared with aj1. Okay, aj is 5 and aj1 is 13. So 5 is greater than 13, false, so there will be no swapping. Now we'll be comparing 13 with 2. Okay, so a1 is to be compared with a2, yani aj is to be compared with aj plus 1. Okay, now j was, after this case j has become 1 na? So aj is greater than aj plus 1, so it is true. So true, we will go for swapping, and after swapping what will be the final outcome of this list? So 2 will come up and 13 will go down. Now we'll compare this 13 with 17, yani a2 is to be compared with aj plus 1. Okay, if it is true, so we will do swapping, but it is not true, so we will not do any swapping. Okay, but j will be incremented. Now j will become 3. So a of 3 is greater than a of 4. So it is true. If it is true, we will do swapping. Okay, we'll do swapping here. So after swapping, what will be the final outcome? 5 to 13 and 4 here. Okay, 17 will go down and 4 will come up. Okay, now we will see these three elements are at the right position. Okay, now in pass 4 I will become 3. Initially I was 2, now I will become 3. So j, how it will vary? 0 से लेकर n minus I refers to 3 here. So 3 minus 1, so it will vary from 0 to 2. Okay, we'll start from aj is to be compared with aj plus 1. So 5 is to be compared with 2. Okay, and condition is true, तो swapping will be there. swapping होगी तो 2 पर आ जाएगा and 5 will go at the down next position. Okay, now we'll compare 5 with 13. So this comparison says it is false, condition is false, so no swapping will be there. Now we will compare 13 with 4. This condition is true, it is greater than 13, so we'll do swapping because the bigger number has to come down. So at the end of this pass 4, we will get 13 at a3 and 4 number will come at a2 position. Okay, now next pass, fifth pass. I is 4 now, and j will vary from 6 minus 4 minus 1. Okay, so it will vary from 0 to 1. We will start from aj is to be compared with aj plus 1. So 2 has to be compared with 5. 2 is greater than 5. No, false, so there will be no swapping. Now we will compare 5 and 4. So 5 and 4, So this is true, the swapping will be done, the 4 will come up and 5 will go down. So in this way we get the complete list arranged in ascending order using this bubble sort. I hope you understood it properly. Revise it, go through my notes again and again if you have any doubt, and watch that SIPO video also to make your concepts more clear. Thank you.